I'm Angel.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline, and here on this channel we see makeup as something that is fun, creative, magical, and definitely for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely think about hitting that subscribe button. So today we already have our makeup on because we're doing tutorials for these looks.
We were inspired by a Katie Jane Hughes look on Instagram this week. And she had a pair of, or a set of freshwater pearls that she got. Where Egypt?
Yes,
beautiful pearls.
They were.
So she did her eye look to match it, and we did our eye look to like copy her. Because I don't see any green in here.
No, I wore these pearl-esque vibed earrings. But yeah, we're doing sort of glowy summer skin, and then this very loose pastel-y iridescent eye.
And another thing Katie does that most people don't do is use a product for multiple uses. So we used our blush for our lipstick. And our highlight for our eyeshadow. Yeah.
So definitely stay tuned to see how we made these like summer mermaidy pearly looks. We're gonna go in depth kind of tutorial style. So keep on watching.
Boom. She owns a lot of brushes, guys. If you're here. Good for her.
Good for her.
To have brushes is to be free. So we're gonna start with our complexion.
Yes.
Did you put on any kind of base?
Oh, I have Charlotte Tilbury on from like way early in the day, but I think I might... Actually, I think I'm glowy enough.
Okay, guys, so for my summer makeups, and this is what we're sort of doing, you know how I like the auric glow? I found when I wore it on the hot day we had, one hot day, I came home and I was greasy. So I tailored a little thing. I have the Supergoop SPF that everyone loves.
You have the glowy one.
I have the glowy one, and that's all you need. So what I like to do, like a very light foundation, but I have this iconic glow thing. It's like a serum-y bronzer, and I just put a little dab, drop, and then my favorite foundation is Fenty Super Matte or whatever it is, and then just a tiny.
I've been trying to wear slightly lighter layers of foundation lately because I have noticed it congealing a little bit more because I guess the heat, or also I have a new moisturizer. Maybe it's more emollient. I don't know, but
I don't wear moisturizer in the summer.
Oh, well,
in the day.
That's not going to happen for me.
I just wear the sunscreen SPF.
Yeah, that was a really light layer. It's the Serum foundation from The Ordinary, which is my favorite foundation. And then the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer.
So for me, I go for the Nars matte, soft matte. For the rest, see, this is just a glowy, it's barely there. The bronzy thing adds a glow, but a bronzy glow. And then for the places I really want super coverage, which are around my nose, chin, and like a little bit under the eyes, I'll use the soft matte, but a very small amount.
I'm just gonna lighten up the inner corner here. I find like right here, there's so much dark pigmentation, so lighten that up. I feel like my complexion routine though hasn't really changed much over like forever.
You don't find the change of the weather?
Like barely. I'm coming off the pill soon, like we were talking about. And
somebody's going to be glowing. Somebody's going to be a grandma.
Oh my god, that's not the goal. Anyway, I suspect it's been like making my skin so fucking dry, so I'm curious.
Yeah, I think so too. You told the people why your skin gets dry on the pill?
Because it's prescribed for acne, so it decreases sebum production.
Yeah. They just prescribe the pill for everything.
Yeah, everything.
Everything woman has. I have pains. Oh, here, take the pill.
Yeah.
I have pimples. Take the pill.
Okay, so I'm gonna be pretty bronzy today because it's a summery look, but I still like to use a contour stick under my jaw.
I'm done my complexion.
You're done? You're not bronzing or anything?
No, because I told you I don't bother with that. I like use this iconic glow.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to be blushing and I'm going to be making a concoction for the base of my eyes. I don't know if you want to join in.
I don't want to concoct things.
Okay.
So why don't you go ahead with your concoction and take your time with it because I'm going to do my whole complexion. I can't not wear like bronzer or contour or something. So I'm using all cream products today. This is the Nude 6 Bondi Bay.
So back in my area here, we're going to do a mother of pearls type look from Katie Jane Hughes, as we discussed. So we're going to have a base, a soft gray, light gray base. So I'm going to use a liquid form, and I'm using my Danessa Myricks white with a tiny bit of black to make a gray. Let's see if it works. Science.
Science. Also, I haven't done my eyebrows yet either.
Oh, I didn't forget. I don't even care about eyebrows. So I just made, look. I mean, this is very mirror-y. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so I don't put in too much. And I'm going to do my eyeshadow base. This almost turned out very light blue.
Oh my god, it did.
I kind of like that for the pearls.
That's interesting.
Which means the black isn't that black, right?
It must be a blue-based black.
Can you say that 20 times?
Blue-based black. Blue-based black. I think I'm going to use the Tower 28 Golden Hour blush because it's very summery, super dewy formula. Okay, there, I'm done my blush.
I added a tiny bit more black in this concoction.
So did Katie Jane. Did she put, for some reason I thought she put the gray base only on the outsides of her eyes.
Yes, she did, but I put on too much.
Oh yeah, see that's why I didn't want to use the Danessa because it's hard to use too little but so easy.
I think
to
it'll
use
look
too
pretty.
much. It'll still work if the base is all over the lid. Oh, I got this new product. I got this new product in a boxy charm. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. You got it, right?
I did too. I didn't even remember about it. I didn't use it.
It's like a liquid highlighter. So
okay, that's perfect.
Since it's summery, I figure cream products. Ooh, that was a lot. My bad.
I think I'm okay with what I just did for a base. I'll put on the blush now, which is, mine is Polished Cream Blush Light.
Look, it comes with a cute little sponge on the other end. Only thing is, it kind of like blocks out the blush. I probably put too much on. Shit. I'm taking my foundation brush and just sort of diffusing it. Now I am so glowy.
So you're going to use a powdery base.
Yeah, I'm just going to use from the Cold Stone Fox, just some grays, lighter grays.
I don't think it matters because what we're going to be doing is using our fingies and using our judgments and just tap, tap, tap. Because her look in her tutorial was just very freeform.
Yeah, it was interesting. She laid down that sort of gray halo and then went in with like iridescent pearl type colors and like just dabbed it around and then even took a concealer brush at one point and was dabbing on the eye look. I'm too afraid to do that step, but...
What? What did you do?
She took a concealer brush on the look and like dappled it around.
Ooh, okay. I'm just going to tell you guys what we're going to use because I brought some options. So she did use this exact Too Faced Fancy Pink Diamond highlighter, which we have. So we'll use that. And she used it on her cheekbones. But I got this, the Copacetic Companion Palette. And she used a bit of green. So I'm going to try that. And who knows, you know, this has got a lot of options. And then, you know, everyone has some kind of thing like this. This is from Alien. One of these iridescent, sort of, you maybe be able to see it. But this one's purple, this one's kind of pink, this one's green, blue. Everyone has this sort of thing, right?
I don't. I was going to ask to borrow that at the end of the day.
Child.
Okay, so, yeah, I'm just going to go in with my fingers, I guess.
Yeah, so we'll go in it with our fingers.
I guess I'll go in with this pinky highlighter in the middle.
Start with a highlighter. That's what she did. And when she did it, you could almost just leave it alone as one look.
I'm just dabbing it in the center.
Yeah.
But I have a feeling you're not going to be able to tell how the iridescence on the camera.
No.
It's very subtle.
The copacetic one has the chunky glitters.
Yeah, that'll stand out. So I took a greeny shift shade. I don't know if you could see. It might be shifting another color. But I'm going to dab it on that kind of inner corner area. And outer, more outer. Dab, dab, dab. And oomph it up with that chunky glitter. Oop.
I don't have enough fingers for this project. I'm trying to be somewhat symmetrical, but not too methodical.
Yeah. I'm going to do on the lower lash line
some color?
Yeah, the green. I like the green a lot.
Which green?
This green. It doesn't look green in the pen, but it's green.
Holy shit.
I know.
It looks pink from my... Okay. Should I do the same?
Sure. Green here. Although maybe you're seeing pink. I don't know. People. And then more of a pinky color on the outside.
I need a liner. I can make a liner out of this rest of this goo. Yeah. See, look. I think a lady needs a liner. Anyway, the point is, don't be afraid to play. And remember, the mascara makes it all work.
Yeah, that's true. I think this is looking a little chunky, so I took taking a brush with nothing on it and just kind of blending that out on the outside.
I'm going to use the highlight on my highlight to make it cohesive. Then it makes sense. Why am I walking around like this? Because my cheeks match my eyes. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
There's a really chunky lilac color that's fun looking, guys.
Oh, did you put that on?
No.
I think I want to put it on a little in the middle.
Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, look at it. Up here.
Okay, let's go put our mascara on and see if this comes together.
Okay, guys, one of the things Katie Jane Hughes likes to do is use multiple, like, products in multiple situations. Like, she likes to use her blush for lipstick. So we're going to try it, even though we're not convinced. We think it's dumb. We have 8 million lipsticks. Why would we use our blush?
High waist.
But we're just going to do it.
Well, this Tarte 28 is actually meant for lips and cheeks.
Okay.
Those things, so...
This, I don't think it is. I don't hate it.
I think I feel like I'm going to get poisoned by it.
I know. I just feel like I have so much. Why would I waste? I'm using the Makeup Forever Endless Cacao because
I guess I'll do that as well.
it's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to diffuse the edge.
But I don't like that. I can't do it. I look crazy.
What?
I look like a drinker when I do that.
No, I meant diffuse the gray endless cacao into the orangey.
No, but you know how she makes the blurry lip?
Yeah, I don't like a blurry
I look
lip.
like I'm like, yeah, I've been sucking on cock all night.
Okay. Oh, you know what I also did off camera? I put on a couple little bit of very, very subtle freckles right here on my lower nose bridge with the NYX eyebrow.
I love, you know
lift
what?
and snatch. It works so
Guys,
well.
That's my the NYX eyebrow pencil.
No, it's a pen.
Oh, my NYX eyebrow pencil is my favorite.
Oh.
Oh.
I find I'm self-conscious about my nose. Let's not have a conversation about it. And I just find like a little bit of freckles almost makes me like it better.
You have a beautiful nose, dear.
Anyway, these are the finished looks.
How do you like?
I hope you can see the iridescence on camera.
Mine's a little bit more kind of shocking.
Blue.
Yeah.
But I like it like that. I like your blue. I liked it because it felt like a low pressure look. I like to be very finicky and detailed with stuff. This was kind of like blop, 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 blop.
Yeah, I like to
But it
blop,
worked.
blop. I'm a blop, blop, blopper.
Yeah, I'm not. So it was actually a welcome change. And yeah, you should definitely try it with different colors, but definitely like anything iridescent. Like,
yeah, anything soft that you can
yeah,
barely tell where the edges end, you know? And just, like, even if you're just going to use a pop of color, just put it in there. Guys, we should do that.
What?
Little pops of color. Oh. To me, this is a more winter look.
I feel like a mermaid though.
I know, but I feel like a winter mermaid.
A winter mermaid in the deep dark
Because I was
sea.
like kind of icy, like, you know, the colors of the sky and the
Northern Lights.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway,
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely try out this look. Let us know in the comments down below if you, I don't know, like an iridescent shimmer. Anyway, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches.
I think everyone should have iridescent.
I used to have them like when I was a makeup noob.
Yeah.
And I'm sure there's some...
That's the thing, too. I used to have fucking a Dior one. I was a makeup noob. I was like, I just like to look at it. I didn't put it on my fucking face. And now I smear all this shit on my face.
Yeah.
I hope you got that.